Join me as I dive into Apple's latest plans for space travel and see if I can predict their next big move. The prospect of Apple entering the space travel industry is certainly an exciting one, especially given the recent advancements in technology and space exploration. With private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin already making significant strides in this field, it's only natural to wonder what Apple's vision for space travel might look like, and how they plan to make their mark on this rapidly evolving industry. Apple's entry into the space travel industry won't be without its challenges, as the company will have to navigate a complex web of technical difficulties, competition from established players, and regulatory hurdles. One of the biggest technical challenges Apple will face is developing a reliable and efficient propulsion system, capable of transporting people and cargo safely and quickly through space. This will require significant investment in research and development, as well as collaboration with experts in the field. The competition in the space travel industry is also fierce, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin already having a significant head start. These companies have been working on their spacecraft and launch systems for years, and have already achieved numerous successes, including launching satellites and spacecraft into orbit. Apple will have to find a way to differentiate itself from these competitors, and offer something unique and innovative that sets it apart from the rest. Regulatory hurdles will also pose a significant challenge for Apple, as the company will have to comply with a complex array of laws and regulations governing space travel. This will include obtaining the necessary licenses and permits, as well as meeting strict safety and environmental standards. Apple will have to work closely with regulatory bodies, such as the Federal Aviation Administration, to ensure that its space travel plans comply with all relevant laws and regulations. In addition to these challenges, Apple will also have to overcome the significant financial burden of developing a space travel program. This will require significant investment, not only in the development of the spacecraft and launch systems, but also in the infrastructure and personnel needed to support these operations. Apple will have to carefully manage its resources, and make strategic decisions about where to allocate its funds in order to maximize its chances of success. Apple's potential strategies for overcoming these challenges are numerous, and the company may choose to pursue a combination of these approaches. One possible strategy could be to form partnerships with aerospace companies, such as SpaceX or Boeing, to leverage their expertise and experience in the field. This could involve collaborating on the development of new spacecraft or launch systems, or working together to provide integrated solutions for space travel. Another strategy Apple might consider is investing heavily in research and development, to create new and innovative technologies that can be used in space travel. This could include developing new propulsion systems, such as advanced ion engines or nuclear propulsion, or creating new materials and technologies that can be used in the construction of spacecraft. By developing these new technologies, Apple can create a competitive advantage and establish itself as a leader in the field. Apple could also look to leverage its existing technology, such as its expertise in computer systems and software, to create innovative solutions for space travel. For example, the company could develop advanced navigation systems, or create software that can be used to control and manage spacecraft. By building on its existing strengths, Apple can reduce the risk and cost associated with developing new technologies, and create a more sustainable and viable business model. Furthermore, Apple may choose to focus on a specific area of space travel, such as satellite development or space tourism, where it can leverage its brand and resources to create a unique and compelling offering. By focusing on a specific niche, Apple can differentiate itself from its competitors, and create a loyal customer base that is attracted to its unique vision and approach. A significant recent development that indicates a clear direction for Apple's space travel ambitions is the company's rumored plans to develop a new spacecraft, capable of taking both people and cargo into orbit. This spacecraft, which is reportedly being developed in secret, is said to be designed for versatility and flexibility, and could be used for a variety of missions, including satellite deployment, space tourism, and even lunar exploration. The implications of this development are significant, as it suggests that Apple is serious about entering the space travel industry, and is willing to invest significant resources in order to make it happen. If successful, this spacecraft could provide Apple with a major competitive advantage, and establish the company as a major player in the space travel industry. The rumored spacecraft is also said to be designed with sustainability in mind, and could potentially be powered by advanced solar panels or other forms of renewable energy. This would not only reduce the environmental impact of the spacecraft, but also provide a cost-effective and efficient source of power. As Apple continues to develop its space travel plans, it's likely that we'll see more announcements and updates in the coming months and years. One thing that's certain is that Apple's entry into the space travel industry will be a significant development, with major implications for the future of space exploration and the tech industry as a whole. The key points to take away from Apple's plans for space travel are that the company is serious about entering the industry and is willing to invest significant resources in order to make it happen. The challenges ahead will be significant, but Apple's potential strategies, such as partnerships and investment in research, could help the company overcome these hurdles and establish itself as a major player in the space travel industry. The implications of Apple's foray into space travel are significant, and could have major implications for the future of space exploration and the tech industry as a whole, as it has the potential to bring about new and innovative technologies, creating new opportunities for people around the world, and helping to drive progress and advancement in a wide range of fields. Join the conversation and let me know your thoughts on Apple's plans for space travel in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the latest trends and innovations in tech. I'll see you in the next video where we'll be exploring more exciting developments in the world of technology.